Good morning, my beloved viewers, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, My Birds, My Love, with a new video. Today, I am going to show you how I prepare egg food for the birds. So, I request you to watch the full video that you don't miss any information regarding this. While making egg food, we must remember that we have to add some vegetables with it, and biscuits and loaves can also be added to it to make it tasteful for the birds. Egg food can be given throughout the year. The small and medium sized birds like finches, javas, cockatiels, lovebirds, etc. are generally given egg food. The big ones like cockatoo, grey parrot can also be given egg food. Egg food has great nutritional value and great role to play in breeding of the birds. In summertime and in rainy season, egg food should be given less. In extreme summer and extreme rainy season, I avoid giving egg food because it may cause digestional problems to the birds. But in winter, egg food should be given properly to help the birds to keep themselves warm and to maintain their body temperature. So let's not waste time and let me show you how and with which I make egg food for my birds. Let's see now. I have taken a carrot. The carrot must be washed properly after bringing it from the market. I have taken green gram beans or moong dal. It is to be soaked for 24 hours before boiling. Here are 2 eggs. These are to be boiled and grated with grater. Then I have taken 4 sugar-free biscuits. Britannia biscuits can also be used, but I prefer sugar-free biscuits that no problem may occur to the birds due to sugar. I prefer sugar-free biscuits only for this reason. I have taken a grater to grate carrot and boil eggs. I have taken a knife to cut the carrot. I will crush the biscuits in grinder. The green gram beans is to be boiled after soaking. I am showing the full process gradually. Then, at first, I shall soak the green gram beans and boil the eggs. Now I am keeping the biscuits to the boil of grinder after baking them, and it is now being grinded. The biscuits are crushed and completely. Now it is kept in a container. The water-soaked green gram bean is boiled and crushed in grinder. So let's boil it at first. I have put the gram beans for boiling, and I have also put the eggs for boiling. Now I have put the boiled gram beans in grinder to make it paste, and the paste is ready. I have put the paste in the bowl. I have cut the carrot and I am now grating it. After grating it, I shall take the eggs. The egg is also being grated properly. Now the ingredients are all ready. Here are gram bean, carrot, egg and biscuits. These are to be mixed now. At first, I am taking the paste of gram beans. Then the carrots are added. Now I am adding the grated boiled egg. And at last, the crushed biscuits. Now these are mixed well. Egg food is now ready. to serve the birds. I give egg food in all the bowls in little quantity for all the separate cages. But my cockatiels are in the colony, so I serve them the egg food in a dish for the cockatiels. I hope you like the video and it will be useful for you, particularly the beginners. So I request you to subscribe my channel if you like my video, and of course don't forget to press the bell icon that you can get notification when I upload a new video. Thank you.